7 life-changing habits to beat obesity for good. Obesity is one of the most pressing health challenges of our time, but the good news is it's not unbeatable. By cultivating the right habits, you can turn the tide, reclaim your health, and live the vibrant life you deserve. In today's video, we'll explore the most effective habits that can help you beat obesity, not with quick fixes or crash diets, but with sustainable changes that truly last. Before we dive into the habits, let's understand why obesity happens. It's not just about eating too much or exercising too little. Obesity is influenced by a combination of factors: genetics, hormones, environmental triggers, and even stress. Recognizing this complexity is important because beating obesity isn't about willpower alone. It's about strategy, awareness, and persistence. Habit 1. Eating mindfully. First up, mindful eating. In today's fast-paced world, we often eat on autopilot, rushing through meals, eating in front of screens, or snacking mindlessly. This disconnect from our food can lead to overeating. Mindful eating is about paying attention to what you eat, savoring each bite, and listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Studies show that people who eat mindfully consume fewer calories and feel more satisfied with their meals. Pro tips: chew slowly, aiming for 20 to 30 bites per mouthful. Eliminate distractions like phones or TVs during meals. Use smaller plates to control portion sizes. Habit 2. Prioritizing quality sleep. Next is sleep. Did you know that poor sleep can disrupt your hormones, leading to weight gain? Lack of sleep increases ghrelin, the hunger hormone, and decreases leptin, the hormone that signals fullness. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Create a bedtime routine that helps you wind down, like reading, meditating, or drinking a cup of herbal tea. Pro tips: maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals 3 to 4 hours before bed. Limit screen time at least an hour before bedtime. Habit 3. Incorporating movement into your day. Exercise is crucial, but you don't need to spend hours in the gym to see results. Start by incorporating movement into your daily routine. Even small changes like taking the stairs instead of the elevator can make a difference. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's dancing, swimming, or hiking. When you love what you do, it doesn't feel like a chore. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate activity most days of the week. Pro tips: use a fitness tracker to monitor your steps and set achievable goals. Try interval training for maximum fat burn in less time. Stay active throughout the day, even if it's just stretching during work breaks. Habit 4. Eating more whole foods. Whole foods are your best friend in the fight against obesity. Unlike processed foods, which are often high in sugar, unhealthy fats, and empty calories, whole foods are nutrient-dense. They fill you up without spiking your blood sugar. Focus on incorporating more vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, healthy fats, and whole grains into your meals. And don't forget to hydrate. Sometimes thirst is mistaken for hunger. Pro tips: meal prep to avoid unhealthy last-minute choices. Include protein with every meal to stay full longer. Use herbs and spices to make healthy meals flavorful. Habit 5. Managing stress effectively. Stress is a major driver of overeating and obesity. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, which can increase appetite and lead to fat storage, especially around the belly. To combat stress, develop coping mechanisms like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or journaling. Even 10 minutes a day can make a big difference in how you feel and how your body responds to stress. Pro tips: practice the 4-7-8 breathing technique to calm your mind. Engage in hobbies or activities that bring you joy. Don't hesitate to seek support from friends, family, or professionals. Habit 6. Building a supportive environment. Your environment plays a huge role in your success. Surround yourself with people who encourage your health goals. This might mean finding a workout buddy, joining a community group, or involving your family in meal planning and preparation. A supportive environment also includes decluttering your kitchen of junk food and stocking it with healthier options. When healthy choices are convenient, you're more likely to stick to them. Habit 7. Consistency over perfection. Finally, remember that consistency beats perfection every time. It's okay to indulge occasionally or miss a workout. What matters is getting back on track. Progress is about the habits you follow most of the time, not the occasional slip-ups. Beating obesity is a journey, not a sprint. It's about building habits that support your body, mind, and spirit. Start small, stay consistent, and celebrate every step forward. You have the power to transform your life, one habit at a time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from these tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on health, wellness, and personal growth. Together, we can build healthier, happier lives.